Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. I am just messing around here today because I got my new camera here. I'm trying to figure this all out. I recorded this video once. It had no sound because I had the wrong cord hooked up. So we're going to try to do this again, and I'm just kind of going to have to show you what I made in this video. So anyway, I just wanted to make a few little cutesy things out of some of the things that I picked up at Dollar Tree. So I love these little containers here. So all I did with this was I took a piece of this ribbon here. It's a wired ribbon. I think I got this at Walmart. They do have something similar at Dollar Tree. I just glued a piece on the back here, and then I added this cute little bow. I was going to wrap some jute string or something around the top here. I thought that would be cute, but then it kind of took away from these little handles on this cute little vase here, and I love the design on this vase too, so I didn't want to put too much on here, but that's all I'm going to put on here, and I think this will be great also to add some, little holiday things for Christmas and stuff too. You just take out the fall, put into Christmas. And these are just my little, I call these little add-on DIYs or little add-on decor, because I have all my pumpkins and things, so it'd be cute to have something else just to kind of break that up. And I figure I'm going to use some of this eucalyptus that they had at Dollar Tree this year. I cut a bunch of those off, and then I'm just going to stick those down in there, and that is it. And I think that'll look great in with some pumpkins or things. I have my little riser here. We made this not too long ago with some Dollar Tree things and some little half beads that I got from Amazon. And I like to have these, because you sometimes just want to raise things up a little bit. And I think this would be the perfect thing to raise up a little bit. And I have all my pumpkin decor and stuff that you could put around here. And I think that is just a little cute little thing. But I did make two of those, because I'm not sure where exactly I'm going to put these yet, but I want to stick them in amongst my pumpkin stuff. All right, so that was that one. Now for the second little DIY that I did, I took one of these, they're actually the little wax burners that you can get, put the wax in and put a candle in, and they smell real good, but you guys know I have parrots. I can't do that kind of thing in the house with my parrots, so I wanted to figure out how to light these up and use them for something totally different. So what I did was I took a string of these little fairy lights. These I think it was like a 10-pack I ordered last year off of Amazon. But you can find these at Dollar Tree. The only thing with these lights from Dollar Tree is they're really pretty from Dollar Tree, but they have that really huge battery pack that you have to put two AA batteries in. These just have this little button batteries, and that works out much better for something like this. So anyway, I just took this here and I wrapped it around my hand until it made like a little spring. And then I'll just put that right inside here. And then you can just move them around once you get them in there. Push your little spring up towards the top. I don't want them to stick out of the front. And then your little battery pack, you can just kind of move these wires around and tuck this right down here. Oops, I want the little thing to go on the outside. Tuck this in here so you have your little switch on the back here. And then just turn that on, and then that thing will light up real pretty, like up on a shelf or something. I love things that light up, especially fall, Christmas time. It's just so much fun to have it light up. Now for the top of this, I thought, what a great thing. You could use this as a riser if you wanted to just add a simple pumpkin to it and have this in with your decor up on your shelf. Or what did I do with my little bowls? See, I finished this video, I had everything halfway put away until I realized the video had no sound whatsoever. But they have this cute little, where did I put my little plastic bowls? Oh, here they are. These little plastic bowls, they come 4 in a pack at Dollar Tree. And where they have like the all little wine glasses, champagne glasses, down by the party section. These come 4 in a pack, and they're real pretty. So I thought you could even add that too, put a little E6000 on there. You could add that on the top of one of these, for like on a table, if you had this in with your pumpkins or something. And, fill it up with some little candies, or you could put some potpourris and little tiny pumpkins and things in there. Anything. It would look really, really cute. Or, if you just like, you can use this as a wax burner. But that was my theory, because I really like these a lot. I got to get another set of lights to put in this one. And I think I am just going to use these for some of my pumpkins to raise some of them up too. And I think that'll look nice lit up at nighttime. So that was number 2 of these DIYs that I had planned on doing here. I don't even know what I did with those other little pumpkins I had out here. Here they are. These are real cute too, these little burlap pumpkins they have at Dollar Tree. These had those little clips on them. I think you got 3 of these in a pack. Like I said, I have this stuff put away already, but I've determined to show you guys this DIY. I'm pretty sure it was 3 in a pack, and they have those little clips on the bottom that you could clip onto something, and I just pulled those little clips out, and then you can just use these to set up as little, pretty little decor. Put that there by our little vase. I think that looks lovely. I'll take a nice picture of this at the end here so you can see. Now the other thing I did was I took one of the little Hello Fall signs. I was originally going to put them on some of these tumbling blocks. I was just going to glue 2 of those together, but then I thought, you know what, I have these little mini hay bales that they have at Dollar Tree. I don't know what I did with the package of those either. I was so upset this video just done. You know, I hate learning something new. There's so many different settings on this camera, and it's going to take me a minute to figure all of this out. Yeah, I have no idea. Here's a little package of these. Yeah, there was 3 of those on there, of these little pumpkins. That's that little clip I was talking about. You can just pop that right out of there and then use them as decor, like on a tiered tray. This would be, all this stuff would be really great. Maybe not this, but all of this stuff would work pretty good on a tiered tray. But let's see, I don't know if I do a little pack. Anyway, you guys have probably seen the mini hay bales at Dollar Tree. Oh, those are acorns. I have so much stuff out here trying to get my fall decorating done. Alright, anyway, forget it. I don't know where I put that little pack of hay bales. I don't know where I put anything right now at this point. I'm losing my marbles. But they have all kinds of these words at Dollar Tree. You can get all kinds of different ones. I've been collecting this for the last couple years. You know, you could use one that said Hello Autumn or whatever you wanted to. I just took the Hello Fall one and then I painted it with some of this sheepskin home decor chalk paint, and then I went around it with a Sharpie and made some little, let me hold this up here where you can see some little stitching marks on there just to make it stand out a little bit more. And then I took a couple of these little berries. Now these came off one of these leaf picks here, or leaf branches that you get at Dollar Tree. I'm trying to find one that has one on there. There's one. They always have all these little berries sticking out of different little things. So I just took a couple of those off of there and I glued one on each side of my little hay bales, and I glued these together. I think these are wood underneath. I'm not sure what's underneath this little straw, but I'm pretty sure they're little blocks of wood. But anyway, and that is how I made that. And I thought this would be great, you know, like I said, on your tier tray and with your other decorations, just to have something cute to sit around. But that was my cute little ideas today. That was a much longer video when I was showing you guys how I do this. And now it's all cloudy and dark. Look at the shadow in here. I'm gonna have to figure out some better lighting with this too. Everything's driving me crazy today. But I hate trying to figure out new electronics. It drives me nuts, but we'll get there. But anyway, that was my ideas. Like I said, I'll put a cute little picture at the end of this video, and I will see you guys all next time. Have a great day, everyone.